So in the last video we have seen the basic structure of HTML, how to write the basic program of HTML in Notepad, how to save it, how to execute it. Also we have seen the heading tag which ranges from H1 to H6, whereas H1 tag is used to write the heading into the higher font size, whereas H6 tag is used to write the heading into the smaller size than the H1 tag. Now in this video we will be seeing the text formatting tags used to format the text into the different format and to give the different type of effect to the normal text. So let's start with that. So for that, in the Notepad I have written the program. So you know the basic structure of HTML, starting with HTML, then head, then title, head close, body open, body close, and HTML close. So this till this you know. So let's start for the text formatting tags. In the body I have written H1 tag. Now all you know that H1 tag is used to give the heading into the body, which will be visible into the screen onto the browser, on any browser. So H1 tag here is used to give the heading onto the screen. So I have written here text formatting tags in HTML in the H1 tag. So this will be in the bolder format as well as in larger size. Next we will start with now text formatting tags. First is bold tag. So into the bold tag, for the bold tag I have used B tag here. I have closed the bold tag here, and into the bold tag I have written English bold format. This is my text written into the bold format. Now after this I have used here BR. Now BR tag basically is used to break the line and go to the next line. So whatever output after this I will be getting, that will be pasted or that will be displayed onto the next line. So here I have used two times. Twicely I have used BR here. So twicely means two lines I will skip, and after the two lines I will be seeing the next output. If I use only one BR tag, then I will skip one line and I will be seeing the output on the other line. So first is the bold tag, second is the italic tag. So for italic I have used I tag. So I tag is used for italicizing the text. So here I have started the I tag, here I have closed the I tag, and into this I have written Marathi italic format. So this text I will be seeing into the italicized format. Again I have used BR to go on to the next line. Next text formatting tag is underline. For underline U tag is used. I have started the U tag, I have closed the U tag, and into this I have written this text in the underline format. So this tag will display the text into the underline format with the underline along with the text. Again BR I have been used to go on to the next line to break the line. For superscript I have written something testing the first. Then for superscript I have written SUP sub tag, then superscript text I have written, I have closed the SUP sub tag. So this I will be explaining onto the output screen, and BR is used to go on to the next line. Similarly for the subscript I have written the testing the SUB is used for subscript. I have closed this sub, and BR I have used for going on to the next line. For marking the text, I have used the mark. Mark is used for marking the text. So this is the next text formatting tag. And into this mark tag, and here I have closed the mark tag. I have written economics marked format. So this tag, when it will be displayed it will be displayed in the yellow color with the marked format. And BR is used to go on to the next line. For the insertion of text or for the inserted text, INS is used. So this is the tag which is used for insert the text. German inserted text is used, and again BR is used to go on to the next line. For deleted text to be displayed, DEL is used. I have written chemistry deleted format. I have closed the delete text and tag, and BR is used to go on to the next line. For small size or small text, small tag is used. I have written here physics, and I have written small size and the normal size. I have closed this small tag, and BR is used to go to the next line. EM is used for emphasizing the text. So EM tag is used for emphasizing it. Biology emphasized format, and EM is closed BR to go on to the next one. So this is my coding part for the practical session. For text formatting tags, will save it. To save it, file, save as, .html. Since .html is compulsory, since it is a HTML program, I'll be saving it. I'll go to the folder. Now I'll run this file. Now you will see the output. So I'll be explaining now how these tags work. So first h1 tag I have used. So you can see that h1 tag displays the text into the bolder format, into the larger size than the normal font size. So h1 tag is used to give the heading to the web page that is displayed onto your screen. So this is my web page, this is my screen. It is used to give the heading to our web page into a bolder format, into a higher font size than the normal font size. Now we will be starting with text formatting tags. So first we have used bold tag. So you can see that whatever I have written. So here I have written English bold format into the bold. See, I have started your bold tag, I have closed your bold tag, and English bold format I have written here. And you can see the output here is English bold format is in the bold format than the normal text. The text is in the bold version than the normal version. And after this, whatever output you are seeing is on the next line because of this BR tag. So BR tag is used to display the lines or display the output onto the next line. Next we have used italic format or italic tag. So for italic we have used I tag, and you can see that whatever output I have generated, it has been italicized. It is not in the normal font size also, and the version also, it has been in italicized. It has gained the italic effect. Next we have used underline. So you can see that the output that is generated, so this text is with the underline generation, with the underline effect you have been seeing. Now superscript and subscript. So see, here testing the whatever I have written is on the normal line, and superscript text whatever you are seeing, that is above the normal line. So whatever you will be writing in the SUP tag, so that will be above the normal line. You can see here that is above the normal line, and also it has decreased the font size. So in the smaller text also, that is smaller font size also, and above the line. So testing the superscript. So the example of superscript is 11. When you write 11 th, so 11 is the testing the, and th that you will be writing will be in the subtext, that is superscript text. Next in subscript text. So see, testing the is on my normal line, and superscript text is below the normal line and also in the smaller font than the normal font. So this the example of this superscript subscript is your chemistry formula, that is H2SO4. So H is your normal text, 2 that you will be writing will be in the subscript form. Again SO that you will be writing will be in the normal text, and 4 that you will be writing is in the subscript text. Now next you will be using the economics. So economics we have used mark. So you can see that whatever text I have written is in the mark form, and that is marked with the yellow line here. So you can see this. So this is my mark text that I have been seen, or that has been displayed using the mark tag. Next after this we have used inserted text, that is INS tag is used. So you can see here inserted text without using underline, it has been generated with the underline effect. So if you want to use the text, or if you have to give the effect without using underline tag, you can give the INS inserted effect to your text. Next is the deleted text. Now see, you can see here the deleted text output, that is chemistry deleted format. Here the text has been in the deleted format, it has been generated with the horizontal line onto it. This generates that this is the deleted text. Next is the small tag. Now small tag, you can see the output, that whatever output I have been generated with using the small tag, this small tag has the effect that it displays your text into the smaller font size than the normal. This is your normal text size. This is your normal text size, and this is your small text that is not this normal font. It is below the normal font. It is in the smaller font size. Now next is emphasized format. Without using italic or I-tag, you can give the effect of italicized format by using EM tag. So hope you have understand this, and also in the next session we will be seeing many more tags. Thank you.